Guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement right here on our Swiss franc JPY. So if you take a look at this right here, Swiss franc JPY, our overall trend on Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move. We are what's trending to the upside. This is very much bullish, right? Now, let's go down to the forward time frame right here. This is the overall movement, and the movement is an uptrend. It is trending to the upside. It is very much bullish, right? This is the impulsive move that market did give us. Here comes the corrective phase, which is a pullback, right? Market then did push up again to form another impulsive move, right? Now here it took out this previous high. Here is a corrective phase right here. This is a corrective phase. Now this is also another impulsive move. This is a pullback. We should now be expecting another impulsive move. So if going, what's the best thing to do in your Swiss franc JPY is to go in for the buy. So it is able to form a new low. So by the time it forms a new low, you should have been able to grab about 72 pips. So we should be targeting between 60 to 72 pips bullish move for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So above all, the movement to the upside is what we should be expecting. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction I just did, it's very simple. I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Make your comments and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.